All right, weather-wise, we are looking at a weather impact alert for tonight and the next couple of evenings as well. You can see with our weather impact alert for San Angelo and for the surrounding area for across West Texas, we're going to see an amount of rain this evening. I would say for the next couple hours, that's the best opportunity at some storms around our region. And then likely another round for tomorrow night and then Thursday evening as well, as we're entering a pretty active pattern with our weather impact alert in place for tonight, and we'll show you why in radar in a second. First, temperatures across the Concho Valley, pretty cool. San Angelo 61, 82 out towards our south and west near I-10, Big Lake at 65. So you can see the frontal boundary that's moving through, that's helping spark off some of that rain and shifting our winds as well. Anywhere from 10 to 20, maybe 30 miles per hour on some of these gusts behind the frontal boundary. All right, tonight's forecast, we say probably in the mid-60s for the next several hours. More importantly, here's radar. Notice how I-20, it's quiet towards Big Spring, it's quiet, but here around the Concho Valley, a little active. Notice out near Brady, Mason, Menard, there are a couple of different severe warnings. These boxes that are highlighted, these are areas we're watching very closely because here's the storm itself, this particular one, that's moving east towards Mason and parts of that northwestern county region just south of Brady. This is producing some hail, as you can see on reflectivity, pretty big soaker, rainfall rates anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain per hour, so heavy amounts of rain. Probably some pretty gusty winds, anywhere from 40 to 60 miles per hour as it moves farther east. And again, some quarter-size hail looking likely as it moves towards north of London, southwest of Calf Creek. This is where it's pretty powerful. The updraft is upwards of maybe 40,000 feet, and that's where it's very, very strong and dangerous at the moment. All right, there's San Angelo. It's quiet, cloudy. We have a flood advisory, flood warning out towards the south and east. A couple of downpours moving in from the south, moving northeast at the moment. Nothing concerning in San Angelo in central Tom Green County, but it's a different story out west between, let's say, Big Lake. Let's say San Angelo out south of 277 and Highway 67. Right there is where it's getting pretty active. And again, where you're seeing pink on reflectivity on radar, that's where the core of the hail is, where it's probably upwards of quarter size at the moment. Good news, it's moving towards a rural area of the northern county. Here's tonight's severe weather outlook, a level 2 out of 5. I would say for the next couple hours, we'll remain with these isolated downpours, but after sunset, a lot of these weaken and move away from us. That's the big takeaway. So I would say after about 8 p.m., mostly quiet. Tomorrow morning, we're cloudy, maybe some drizzle. Tomorrow night, another round of some scattered thunderstorms, mainly overnight while you're asleep into 2 and 3 a.m. into early Thursday morning. And then this pattern just keeps going. We have these upper-level weak areas of energy moving in from the south and west. And what that's going to do is drive in more energy and additional rain chances over these next 5 to 7 days. Here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, 72, near 80 Thursday, near 90 Friday. Now, all-day kind of rain. These are not all-day kind of rain makers, but when they do happen in the evening hours, overnight, and even morning hours as well, they can provide low visibility, some soaking rain, some flood concerns, and even some hail in some isolated cells. So stay weather aware as this weekend, more rain's on the way for Saturday night into Sunday with a high temperature of 84. Bert?